everyone, this is again Yoshi Arola, your digital marketer as well as your VA coach, and welcome back to my channel. So, I'm hoping na napanood mo ng iba kong videos para naman meron kang idea of what my channel is about. Pero just in case, yung channel po natin ay nagtuturo ng mga VA skills as well as digital marketing focused on Google Ads and Facebook Ads para naman maging specialized ka if you are planning to start your virtual assistant career or your work from home life. So, today, ang i-discuss natin ay nagmula sa isa sa mga comments na na-receive natin sa previous Google Ads videos natin. Okay, ito ay from Miss Cherry Ann 4721. If may list ba tayo ng agencies na pwedeng pag-applyan ng isang Google Ads Manager, especially sa mga entry level, sa mga moderate, as well as sa mga expert levels, of course. So, i-discuss natin yan. I will share to you yung mga agencies na ina-applyan ko or sinasendan ko ng application. If we can visit their websites, tapos kung ano yung offer nila and the things that you needed to have para ready ka naman pag nag-apply ka. And sorry guys, I'm wearing pantulog. I've been feeling down. May ubo po ako for 1 week. So I'm hoping you understand. But yes, syempre, sabi nga natin sa ating mga videos and mga posts, consistency is the key. So regardless if sa mga ating pakaramdam, we'll do the video para naman makatulong ako sa mga taong gusto magkaroon ng VA, life or wanted to transition to VA. So, on my previous videos, guys, syempre, tinuro ko na doon kung paano mag-optimize ng iyong online profile. Kasi guys, the very first thing na you have to do before you send your application is get your profiles optimized regardless if online jobs yan, Upwork yan, you should have your own portfolio. You have to have your page if in case ayaw mong gamitin yung profile sa Facebook or sa kung saang social media man. Para if you send them application, you can focus more doon sa words na really mag-convert. Kasi pag nagsisend ka po ng application, normally you would have to put a what you call a cover letter. So your cover letter should be professional, straightforward, plus value driven. Pag sinabi nating value driven is papakita mo doon kung ano yung maibibigay mo or mafi-fix mong issue sa problem na meron sila when it comes to their businesses. And the rest kakausapin na nila nun is yung portfolio mo, yung resume mo. Then, pag nagustuhan ka nila, and that's gonna be the time na mag-schedule yan syempre ng interview. If you want me to dive deeper on how to do cover letters, for example, comment lang kayo ng cover letter para gawin ko siya in my next video. It won't be a very long video. Siguro mga 5-10 minutes lang. So I can at least skim on what you needed to put on your cover letter. But for now, if you are ready with your updated resume, may portfolio ka na, etc. The next thing na you needed to do is at least have your certifications ready. Hindi naman po nangihingi lagi si Google Ads ng certifications, pero it's best if they can see that on your resume. So for example, like this po. So I have a certification on paid ads for search, for display, for video, for shopping, and for analytics. Bakit po importante ito? Kasi if they see this, that would mean na you pass the certification exam na binibigay po talaga ni Google. So pag naipasa mo po kasi yun, ibig sabihin po talaga, maalam ka po sa Google Ads. Yun po yung pinopoint ni advertiser or ni company. Kasi po, parang exam lang po yan. Parang if you wanted to get sa college, kailangan yung NSAT mo, pasado, yung mga ganong exams po. So, this certification would show na talagang alam mo po yung ginagawa mo, and at most, you might have different strategies from other people, but at least the basic and the foundation of being a Google Ads manager is actually there. And yeah, so I'll discuss more about the portfolio. Again, guys, if meron kayong portfolio and you want me to, let's say, see if your portfolio will convert. For example, if I'm the company owner, if I see the portfolio, for example, if nakita ko siya, will I hire you? Mga ganong bagay. Then let me know so I can do some checks on your portfolio. Just comment portfolio, comment the link of your portfolio. Don't be shy na makita ng ibang tao yung portfolio nyo. Is actually one way to advertise yourself, especially sa YouTube community. Pag may mga nagsa-search ng about Google Ads na business owner, if they see your portfolio, baka i-check nila, and that might be where your client will come from next. So, comment nyo lang yan. At the same time, you can tell me if you want it to be a secret video or if you want me to create a video about your portfolio. Okay? So, yeah, without further ado, I have prepared a list of companies na actually ina-applyan ko po talaga, and these companies will definitely help you when it comes to really getting a gig for your Google Ads managers din. So, you can write this down, pero po ilalagay ko rin naman po to sa ating what they call this, ilalagay ko rin po to sa descriptions yung mga link po na ito so that you can just, go to it and apply. So let's share my screen. So the first website that I actually would wanted to tell you would be the online jobs. Online jobs, ito po yung first agency. Kahit na po sinasabi nila na napaka saturated na daw, ang dami na daw pong um, nag-a-apply sa online jobs and there's a possibility hindi ka po matanggap. That really just depends on your resume and portfolio. Pero if you can see, I have another message here. So online jobs, and this message was just sent December 3rd, which was just, ano pa ngayon? December 4th. So this was just yesterday. So if you would notice, sabi dito, and feel free to get the address. You can just email them as well. So they needed an ad expert na nagra-run ng Google and YouTube. At the same time, working with clients daw to and help them really grow their company. So, eto siya guys, so dito pa lang sa Google Ads, 'di ba I said to you na optimize lang. So nandito lang po siya. Pero we'll not focus on this more. Ang focus natin is paano ka po ba magsa-search ng account. So, Google Ads. Search mo lang po dito, Google Ads. You can actually just put Google if you like. And nandito po siya. I would suggest, if you will be searching, check nyo, naghahanap ba kayo ng part-time lang or full-time? Or gig lang? Yung mga gig po is project-based. Ito yung mga like 2 weeks, 1 month, mga ganon. So, let's just say, full-time lang yung hinahanap natin. I-refine yung search. So, ito po siya. So, paid ad specialist for automotive marketing. So, 1.5. So, that's like how much na in peso. Let's just say 1.5 times 58. Oh, so, that's 87,000 peso po agad. So, dito, apply lang po kayo dito. Nakalagay naman po dito sa Las Vegas sila, ano ba yung kailangan nila. Guys, it's very important na when you apply, you really read ditong what you will do. Ito kasi yung responsibilities. Okay? Tapos may nakalagay dito, connect ads to go high level, including forms. So if hindi ka po maalam sa go high level, then you might wanna learn about it more. Kasi kailangan po dito ng advanced go high level po. So if you think na you can do this, go for it. Pag hindi nyo naman po bet, then back nyo lang po, then punta kayo sa next. We still have another, retail, music retail. Mababa lang siya, pero it depends. Kasi during the interview naman, you can discuss it to them. Wala na siya na feel na ata yon. Ito, digital marketing, account manager, Google Ads. Yung mga ganito guys, di ba sinabi ko sa green flag and red flag, kailangan clear kayo sa inyong fees. So, basically, madami po ito guys. So, dito sa online jobs pa lang, you'll definitely be able to see a lot of opening. Ito po yung first agency po na talagang pwede nyo pong sendan. And what I do po sa akin when I started is I send out mga 20 to 30 applications po. Kasi you have to understand na yung mga tao pong nag-post nito, they don't really check your application right away unless yung nag-post po dito is yung owner po talaga ng business. Karamihan po kasi dito is nagpo-post dito is katulad ng ganito, si Prasad, tas meron dito siyang local specialist din daw. Parehas lang yung laman. Mga agency po kasi yan. So, mga ganun. So, kailangan nyo rin po talagang i-check siya isa-isa. Okay? So, the next agency na pwede nating puntahan, of course, wag mo naman tayong lumayo, would be Upwork. Sa Upwork po kasi, madali lang naman po siya, especially if meron ka na pong account. And in case you need, let's say, assistance with um, optimizing your Upwork, kwento po kayo sa mga Facebook groups. Meron po ng mga Facebook groups like Molonsky ba yun? Molonsky Method. Madami po doon mga nag-apply. So, for example, ito. So, meron po dito ang tinatawag na best matches. Kasi nga po, ito yung mga parang nasa account mo. Pero if ayaw mo nito, you can just search for Google Ads then. When you search for it, automatic naman po siya na i-filter niya po agad yung Google Ads na gusto niyo po. And just like online jobs, may option po dito. Kung ikaw po ay baguhan, you may wanna click the entry level. Wag po kayo mag-click ng expert. Pwede rin po kayo ng intermediate if you think na kaya nyo na. Kasi po, pag expert, mahal po talagang bayad dito. Baka may makita ka kasi dito na $100 per hour, pinasok mo din. Pero expert level po talaga yun. Again, it depends if you are very confident. If ikaw yung taong madaling matuto based on experience, then go for it. May option din po dito for you to really check the pricing. Pero ang kaibahan po ni Upwork, meron po talaga silang binabayarang Upwork fee. And that's something that you really have to check. But kunwari ganito, Google Ads for International Real Estate, $30 yung budget niya. Pwede ka mag-apply dito. You have to check the proposal, kung kailan siya na-post. Tapos, nandito yung detail. Makikita mo rin po dito if ano yung high rate niya. Baka kasi mamaya, ang konti ng higher rate niya, tapos madami yung mga pangit na feedback sa kanya. So, we wanna check that as well. Pero ito po yung pangalawa sa mga, let's say, I would deem as an agency na pwede mo pong pag-applyan. Kasi dito po talaga madami ka makikita po din. Makikita niyo pa po. Lahat po na may green, Google Ads. That's because we search for the word Google Ads po. Kaya, ganun po siya. And ang dami pong pages na to. So, yun po yung pangalawa. I would say, go for Upwork kasi madami po talagang option dito. And again, huwag po kayong panghinaan kapag send po kayo ng send tapos wala pong nangyayari. Bakit po? Kasi hindi naman po yan hindi naman po yan agad-agad. You really have to make sure na you build your portfolio po talaga. And again, you can't build that if entry level ka. So, go for Upwork kung entry level ka po. Next is, ito po yung isa sa mga gustong-gusto kong agency or I would say website. This is basically Indeed .com or Indeed PH. However po, I would suggest na mag-apply lang po kayo dito if, for example, 4-year degree holder kayo. Kasi po, mahilig po sila sa ganun. Kunwari, ito po, urgently hiring. if clinic mo siya, lalabas po yan dito sa site. Pero may mga ano po yan, may mga required na skills. Google Ads yung required niya, i-yes mo lang siya kasi naka-profile naman po yan. Pero may mga iba po kasi na required is katulad ng ganito. Requirements, wala dito nakalagay na 4-year course. Pero yung iba po kasi meron. Pero if you'd notice, ang laki ng bayad, 100,000 to 160,000 per month. That's almost doubled on what we saw sa online jobs kanina. Pero one of the things na I would really suggest lang po is sa Indeed po kasi um, hindi po sila ganun kabilis mag-reply. So if I may suggest something, kunwari nag-apply po kayo dito, pindutin nyo rin po tong digital recipe, yung pangalan ng business. Then, pupunta po yan dito. Pwede nyo pong, ano yan dito, pwede nyo pong applyan yan dito. Or, digital recipe, pwede nyo pong i-search yung company po niya. Then, punta po kayo mismo dun sa website. Just in case you already send an application tapos wala pa pong update. So, if you notice yun po, eto, tingnan nyo naman po to, digital advertising, that's technically PPC. Pero may bonuses pa sila dito. Pero meron sila ditong 3 years daw ng meta ad. So, if wala kang ganyan, hindi to para sa'yo. Madami po. Ito, senior PPC. So, ito yung mga required. Pero may makikita po ka dito na may requirement po talaga siya na ano, na kailangan 4-year degree. Ngayon, you can fake it, lagay mo na 4-year degree ka until the interview, pero sinasayang mo lang din yung time mo and time nila kapag yung company po pala is masyadong mahigpit when it comes to the degree. Kasi kung mahigpit po sila doon, tapos finake mo po, ang mangyayari, nag-apply ka po, nag-antay, nag-interview, tapos nung tinanong ka na, can you provide the necessary details, hindi mo provide. So, yun lang po, magiging issue lang po siya. So, I suggest, just be upfront with it. Pag hindi ka nila tinanggap, then that's fine. There's a lot more companies na will hire you naman. So, that's okay. So, pang-apat po na website or agency, I would suggest, na pwede mong puntahan is Clutch.co. Sa Clutch.co po, ito po yung para isa po siyang listing. Listing po siya ng mga companies na nag-offer po ng Google Ads. So, type po po dyan, Google Ads. Tapos lalabas po dito yung mga Google Ads company na nag-offer na mga company po na nag-offer ng Google Ads. So, check lang po natin siya saglit para makita niyo po siya. So, pay per click, hindi siya ganon. Let me just see bakit ganito si Clutch. Ito. Ito po pala, pindutin niyo tong marketing, tapos punta po kayo dito sa digital marketing or ito pong pay per click sa advertising. Pag pumunta po kayo dito, makikita po yung mga companies dito. Ngayon, let's say, gusto mo po mag-work ng pang-umaga. So, kung pang-umaga ka, technically, the companies or the services na you wanna apply should be located in Australia or New Zealand. Kasi sila yung mga halos kasing time natin. So, lagay mo lang po dito yung Australia. Tapos, ang lalabas po dito is, wait lang, i-ano natin yung services for, wala siyang ano, wala yung pay per click na wala na siya. Wait lang, meron yan dito. Itong advertising. Ang ginagawa niya po kasi is, pag nilagay niya po to, ito po yung mga parang company or agency po na nag-offer ng specific na ganito. So if you notice, meron po ditong pay per click. Ayun po, ang pwede niyo pong gawin is either, ito po kasi ginawa ko nung bago ako. Kumuha po ako ng listahan nito and what I did po is nag-email ako sana, nag-cold outreach po ako. Especially yung mga ganito, $199 per hour. Ibig sabihin, ito yung offer nila sa mga business owners. So pag nag-hire sila ng gagawa nun, most likely mag-offer sila ng 50 or at least malaki po. Kasi nga, ang offer nila is 199 sa mga business owners. So hindi naman pwedeng offer ang kanila ng 10 or $3 per hour lang, 'di ba? So ito po, pag pinunta mo yung yung company website, may option po dito email address. So you can either send them an email ito or send them a message sa LinkedIn nila or kung saan man. Technically, it's what you call cold outreach. So this is the reason why you might notice some VAs or Google Ads na nagsasabi, nagsisend ako ng 30 to 50 application a day. Parang totoo ba? Parang saan ka kumukuha ng mga sasendan mo kung online jobs lang? Hindi lang naman po kasi sa online jobs. So, dito po siya. So, again, if you wanna go for pang umaga, kung gusto mo naman ng um, graveyard shift, punta ka lang sa US. Sa US po kasi, ang mas maganda po kasi yung nandito po kasi dollar, US dollar po yun. Ito po kasi Australian dollar po siya, Canadian dollar, which is syempre mas mababa po yung value ng kaysa sa US. So akala mo, let's say binigyan ka nila ng 30 Australian dollar per hour, pero sa US pala ang equivalent nun is like nasa 22 lang, mga ganun. Pero that's not bad pa rin po. So that's basically the fourth I would say website na you should go into yung clutch.co. Again po, clutch.co. I'll put that naman po sa page natin. Another website po or fifth website, and this is an agency, is itong isupportworldwide.com. So ito pong isupportworldwide.com, mahilig po sila mag-send ng emails na nag-open po sila for digital marketing or marketing assistant. Pag nag-apply ka po, ito po yung kailangan mo i-fill out. Desired position, ilagay mo lang po siya dito. And ito po yung sample emails po nila na sinend sa akin. So, email na po to, they were looking for digital marketing assistant. And sinend nila to, November 24 lang. That was 10 days ago. Hindi ko na siya na-replyan. Pero yung offer po nila is on-site daw po siya and 75,000 pesos. So, isa sa mga pwede mo pong gawin dito is of course, marketing po and Google Ads po. Kasi Google Ads is part of marketing. Pero may mga non-negotiable lang po sila. Pero silang college graduate na any course, dapat po meron kang understanding sa agriculture industry since ito po yung work. Pero maganda po siya kasi ang daming perks. May free lunch, fruit, snacks, and drinks. May on-site gym, may instructor, may fitness activity and actual challenge na meron kang papanalo ng 70K. Meron siyang weekly activities na up to 3,000. May mga upskilling. Ito po yung talagang tinitingnan ko sa isang company, yung nagbibigay ng upskilling. Kasi if you don't upskill yourself, then you're setting up yourself for failure kasi magiging behind ka po. So, ito yung mga offer nila and maganda naman po siya. And sana applyan niyo po siya. Kasi aside from this digital marketing, nag-send din po sila ng application. Actually, they've been sending me email message for at least 2 months now. They sent one and that's for the marketing. And that's because optimize po yung ating marketing portfolio. So that's iSupport worldwide po. Ito po siya. So pwedeng-pwede po kayo dito sa careers. And again, wala naman po masama na mag-apply. And what I know is maganda po yung ano nila dito, yung acceptance rate, especially for entry level. Okay. The next is pwede po nga apply dito itong groovy.com. This is a company. ano po siya, ang kailangan naman po nila is Google Ads for Amazon Google Ads po ang kailangan nila. Kasi para po silang um, yung ano, yung supplement. So, meron din po silang supplement po kasi yung in-offer nila and yun po yung talagang ano yun po nila, tawag doon, ino-offer. And nandito naman po yan sa website nila. Give me a second. Actually, nag-send sila ng email din to me. So, ito, advertising specialist. And ang offer naman po nila is may 15% night leave, paid leaves, HMO from day one pa lang, paid VLs, quarter, and annual performance bonus. So, if hindi po nakakaintindi ng quarter, so, in 1 year, we have 4 quarters. So, merong bonus every 3 months, then every year. Then meron din silang life insurance, and meron silang hybrid na workplace. So, sa Pasay siya, permanent na hybrid. So, few days sa bahay and some days sa office. So, punta lang po kayo dito sa careers. Natatakpan siya ng aking fest. Okay, punta lang po kayo dito sa careers. Then, click nyo tong job posting. Pag pumunta po kayo dito, ito po yung lalabas. Ito po yung mga available post na meron sila. So, meron, ito, Groovy naman po siya. So, meron silang website coordinator, creative marketing director, Amazon International. Ito po yung sa Google Ads, itong PPC specialist po. Just click that, then pwede nyo na po siyang applyan. So, ang nakalagay naman po dito, nakalagay naman dito yung overview nila, kung ano yung kailangan, and yung key responsibilities. Guys, again, always check the key responsibilities. Kasi if in case, ako po kasi, for example, meron dito, ano ilan to? 5 responsibilities. And it just so happen na let's say yung isa doon, hindi ko po alam. Ang gagawin ko po is I will send the application and right after that, aaralin ko po yung specific na responsibility na kailangan doon. Especially if hindi naman po siya ganun ka bigat aralin. Yung parang madali lang po. Kasi again guys, before you apply naman, you already have the foundation as a um, perfect and working Google Ads Manager. Kasi hindi naman po kayo mag-apply kung hindi po kayo confident. So, it just so happen na may mga parts lang po dyan, minsan sila na ginagamit, especially sa tools na hindi mo po ginagamit, which pwede mo pong aralin. Ay, maganda po siya, oh. Nandito naman po siya lahat. So, apply lang po kayo dito sa Growing. Okay? And syempre po, aside from that, nakailan na tayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na tayo. Meron tayong pang 7. And this is a company na I have some experience, I can tell you. Hindi po sila, wala po silang application or opening available sa website. Pero po, you can apply sa Facebook page nila. So this is Novanox. Sa London yung kanilang headquarters. Pero po nag-a-apply po sila or nagtatanggap po sila ng Google Ads. Madami pong nag-work dito ng Google Ads manager kasi when I worked with this company before, meron sa team namin, we're handling an account from Israel and ano kami, parang 15 na Google Ads manager. Puro kami Pinoy. So, maganda naman po siya. Yun nga lang po, fix yung salary nila and once a month yung salary. So, if you apply here, make sure na meron kayong budget to really spend sa full month na wala pa kayong salary. And wala naman po silang issue sa salary. In fairness naman, never naman po yung na-late. And maganda naman po yung, I suggest, try to really negotiate if hindi nyo bet yung amount. I can't say the amount since may non-disclosure agreement naman kami noon. Pero, yeah, apply lang po kayo dito. Either punta po kayo dito sa careers or punta po kayo sa Facebook account po nila. Nandun po yung opening. Kasi po dito, ito yung mga openings po nila. They actually accept VAs then HR specialist, for example. Pero if you'd notice, hindi siya updated. Matagal na siya. 2024 pa. So, punta lang po kayo sa Facebook page nila. Nandun po lahat actually ng opening po na meron sa novanox.io po. And maganda naman po yung campaign in fairness. Magkakaroon ka ng TL, meron naman po silang check-in every time. So, yun po, maganda naman po yung company and yung acceptance rate mataas naman po. Yung nga lang po may time tracker sila. So, if in any case, I suggest lang po na if hindi nyo bet yung may time tracker, then don't apply. Pero if okay kayo sa may time tracker, then go for it. Okay? So, pang-8 company or agency natin, this is one of the agencies na lagi mo makikita sa TikTok kasi may mga Google Ads Manager sila na nakalaging live, parang work with me. Buong ano po yun, shift. Parang like 11 ng gabi hanggang 7 a.m. So, growth assistant po, isa rin po to sa nakita natin when we check our Indeed listing. So, dito po, lagi po sila nag-hire. Malaki po yung offer nila dito. Nasa like $1,000 per month. And pwede pang mataas yun. Depende sa experience mo po. If there's anything po, meron silang time tracker. And one of the things na lagi po nababasa ko is that kailangan po ma-experience ka on using Google Ads editor. If you don't know what editor is, yun po yung app po sa parang bulk ano po yun. Pwede mo ka pong mag-edit doon ng bulk kung madami pong campaign yung isang account. Let's say meron silang 30 campaigns. Pangit naman po, iisa-isahin mo po yun, di ba? So, pwede ka po mag-edit sa editor, then later mo na siya i-publish para sabay-sabay mo siyang i-publish. So, nung nag-apply kasi ako dito, ang tangi experience ko lang was service-based ako ng maliliit na companies for roofing and painting. So, wala ako yung company na talagang hundreds of thousands yung ini-spend sa ads and kailangan ng editor for bulk editing. Pero madali na lang po siyang aralin. You can search for it po sa YT. And yes, maganda naman po yung company kasi yung nagte-TikTok sa nakikita ko, they normally like to um, co-working space, parang nagmi-meet sila, tatlo sila, then they work together, yung mga ganon. And the fact na they can do TikTok while working, that means okay lang naman yung work. Hindi siya ganun kabigat as long as you know what you're doing. So, apply po kayo dito. Pwede po kayo dito sa sa roles. Ito po siya, paid social specialist, or click nyo po tong view roles. Pag click nyo po yan, ito po siya. Nandito yung mga roles. Nandito po tayo pasok sa paid social specialist po tayo. Okay? So, pang-9 agency is itong Seamless Assist. Itong Seamless Assist po siya, para po siyang mini agency din, parang hire talent something. Dito po, madami po ditong application. So, pwede ka po dito mag-apply ng social media manager, if you have experience for SMM, call for content ka po, o content operations manager, for example, or editor lang po ng YouTube. Nandito po tayo. Yung paid specialist, ito po tayo. Growth and community marketing manager for Google Ads. Yan po yung sa Google Ads. Either click nyo lang po yung apply or click nyo lang po muna yung link para makita nyo po yung details. Again, nandito lang po siya. Imagine mo po yan. Nakalagay dito, if you are able to manage 3,000 to 5,000 ad spend, then pasok ka. Pero 3,000 to 5,000 ad spend, ang baba niyan. Yung current company ko kasi I spend more than 15,000 per month. So, pero go for it. Oh, ito po siya. Nandito yung requirements niya. Proficiency in Go High Level. Madami na po nagbibigay ng free training sa Go High Level. So, you can definitely look into that. Ang problem lang is wala siyang amount, yung parang sa salary, hindi po siya disclose. Pero that's alright. Again po, as an applicant, the first thing that you needed to do is to secure a meeting, secure an interview. Once you're secured with an interview, normally po everything follows kasi that's where you'll really shine. Yun po kasi yung mga kailangan po para ma-explain mo sa kanila kung ano yung kaya mong gawin. So yun po yung top 9. I would say, pwede ko ba sabihin top 9? Pero those are the 9 agencies na talagang pinag-a-applyan ko po. Especially yung sa online jobs sa Upwork and sa Indeed and sa Clutch. Ito po yung mga agency na dapat hindi nyo po um, tinitigilan. Kasi regardless kung may client kayo or wala, just send out applications all the time para po meron po kayong laging choices if you wanted to. Kaya ko pa ng isang client or kaya ko tong for example, i-refer sa isa kong kakilala. Baka pwede silang mag-apply dito instead kasi nag-reach out, mga ganon. Meron pa po palang pang 10. Sorry, na-miss ko to. Ito yung po yung pang 10. It's talentfuse.ph. So, oh, kita-kita nyo naman po, oh. Go for it si sir. Nag-apply, nag-explain po kasi ito ng kung sino si Talent Fuse. Siya po yung founder and CEO. At ba kailangan po nila ng um, Google Ads Manager. And nandito lang po yan. Lagay nyo lang po dito yung mga information nyo. Ganon. Pero guys, if there's one thing ha, pag galing pong online jobs, Viber, Upwork, etc. Tapos nakitaan nyo po na hinihingan kayo ng mag-download kayo ng software, wag po kayong magda-download ha. Kasi the moment that you download software, there's a possibility po na ma-hack po or ma-compromise yung inyong account. And kapag na-compromise po yung inyong account, then kung meron po kayong current client, kawawa naman po sila. Kasi I had friends who parang yung isa ko is nasa ano sila, patio business. Nagulat na lang siya kasi yung client niya na-charge na nasa like $15,000. Tapos nung chinek niya, may gumawa ng ads sa kanyang account and ang ina-advertise is website for senior bra, o women's bra. So sila yung nagbabayad doon. So kahit nag-reach out sila sa company, hindi na nila ma-return yung nagastos na. So make sure na do not install anything if they're asking you to install. Pag nanghingi sila ng loan video, for example, pwede pa yon. Pero if they wanted you to install this, ganto ganyan, wag po. Okay? Wag na wag po. So yun po yung top 10 agencies. And there's just a bonus. In case mahilig po kayo mag-LinkedIn, pwede po kayo mag-apply sa LinkedIn din po. Sa LinkedIn po kasi, madami ka pong makikita mga ganito. Let's say, Growth Pair. Agency po to na nag-upshore or kumukuha po ng mga Google Ads Manager sa Philippines. Tapos, pinipair po yun sa kanilang clients. Nandito po yung post nila. So, I would suggest, if for example, nagle-LinkedIn ka, punta ka po dito. Pwede ka po dito kasi mag-search eh. Google Ads Manager. Tapos, punta ka lang po dito sa jobs. Tapos, pwede ka po dito sa date posted. Pwede siguro yung, wag yung anytime. Dito ka sa past 24 hours or past week para active pa siya. Kasi minsan, pag anytime, yung iba dyan, tapos na po. Then sa experience level, either punta ka ng entry level, associate, kung ano po yung comfortable ka. Okay? If you notice naman, entry level, may 100 results pa rin. And guys, ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-importante. Yung either you want it remote or on-site. So, pag hindi mo kasi pinili yung remote, tapos nag-apply ka, tapos sinabihan ka na, apply ka po dito, di nga ka kasi ayaw mo naman pala magpunta sa office. And guys, itong location, type nyo dito Philippines if sa Philippines kayo nag-add. Or if sa US, tanggalin nyo lang yung Philippines. Pero if you notice, ito, Internet Ads Assessor, may mga ganyan. Pero punta ka lang dito, GBP, Google Business Profile, ano yan, Manager. It's another Google Ads sa Google My Business. Pero ito, PPC Marketing. So, ang nakalagay dito is PPC Marketing Specialist. Ito yung qualification, Google Ads Certification. Ito guys yung sinasabi ko. Kailangan agad nila makita yan. Proven PPC experience. Ganun. So, pwede ka mag-apply now dito. And guys, pwede mo rin check syempre yung values nila para pag let's say natanggap ka nila or may interview ka nila, you know naman exactly what the company is about. Then ito, may Google Ads Specialist din dito. Minsan guys, binabanggit dito yung salary, minsan hindi. Pero if you notice, nakalagay, ang ganda nito, Australian. What does this mean? Pang umaga to guys. Ano ba yung role? Details. Part-time. So feeling ko, check nila kung ano ka, kung working ka or nag-experience o kung meron kang result. So pwede ka po mag-apply dito. Ito, media buyer sa Meta. If you don't do Meta, then skip mo siya. Marami pa po yan dito. Ito, e-commerce specialist. Ito, Google Ads naman po for Ripbox Station. Ito, 20 hours per week lang. So, part-time po siya kasi UK. So, hindi siya pang umaga pero at least half ng shift mo is umaga. Pwede ka po dito, yan. So, paano mo po ba guys masasabi or paano po ba ikaw i-reach? Oh, okay. Ito si Spear Racket. Si Spear Racket guys, isa sa mga VA agencies and nag-hire sila ng media buyer. Media buyer technically covers both Facebook and Google. So, be very keen lang with that just in case you don't do it. Pero guys, paano ka ba may-reach out? Kasi I have some people reaching out to me about Google Ads. That's because of this. Meron ako dito, tapos, um, if you would notice, yung experience ko dito, guys, so, media buyer, Digital Atlantic, um, marketing for Riva, tapos meron akong Ether, Novanox, meron Dream Factory, Light Budget, freelance dito sa VXI. Yung mga ganun, guys. So, pag nakikita kasi nila to, they will definitely reach out to you kasi nakikita, okay. So, madami-daming experience to. So, alam na to yung ginagawa niya. And, ito pa yung nakikita ko, guys. I normally get this specific notification, itong mga recommendations na jobs just because I have that experience. So, Google Ads Coordinator, what this was posted lang recently. Ito yung mga sinasuggest nila sa akin kasi I have what they call this records. And ito nakalagay dito salary. Depende daw. $800 salary means times 58. That's 46,000 per month. Not bad na if entry level ka po. Pero syempre, if you have experience, then you can definitely get as high as 1,200, which is like 70,000 pesos na rin po. So, yun lang naman guys. I would suggest lang, before you apply, always remember na you have your updated resume, you have your portfolio ready, you have your certifications ready, and if possible po, meron po kayong knowledge of key tools na. And if you really like the job posting, pero po wala po talaga, isa sa mga requirements nila doon is hindi po fit sa inyo, then I suggest aralin niyo po siya. Send the application, aralin. Again, wala naman pong masama na kahit hindi kayo fit, tapos hindi kayo nag-apply. Kasi ang dami po actually na magugustuhan ka talaga ng client because of how you conduct yourself, how you answer their questions, and nagigets naman po nila na you can definitely learn na lang yung part ng yung kailangan mo pong aralin doon. Ang importante is kayang-kaya mo pong mag-aral. And one of the things that I have mentioned dun sa previous video ko last week is yung soft skills mo. Yung communication mo and how you explain everything, yung problem solving mo, yung analytical thinking mo, and yung attention to detail mo. And from there, ready ka na. Okay? So, I hope this list of agencies help you kasi based dito sa mga agencies ko, this is actually where I got at least six of my clients, and some came from Facebook groups, and I've been mentioning naman yung Facebook groups dati pa. Again, if you're still not joining Facebook groups, then you're missing out a lot. Okay. So, yun na naman guys. I wanted to focus more on that since naituro ko naman halos lahat ng mga campaigns and whatnot. So, doon na tayo ngayon sa paano nyo siya i-apply. So, if you have question, don't hesitate to let me know. Again, comment cover letter if you wanted me to do a video on how to do cover letter. At the same time, you can also comment interview para naman magbigay tayo ng mga questions na I normally get asked during an interview. In fact, I have recorded myself doing discussions about metrics then kay clients. So I'm just not sure. I'll have to ask for approval if that's possible to be put out here. Pero pag pumayag si client, I'll put it sa channel na para makita nyo on how I normally discuss our performance every week. So that's it for me, guys. Again, thank you for watching. And if you found this video helpful, I really would love you to like the video, to subscribe, and to comment exactly what you love about this video. Also, if in case you apply to any of the agencies I have mentioned, tapos natanggap ka po, baka naman po pwede kayo mag-comment para naman po uplift natin and ma-inspire naman natin yung iba nating viewers to really do the same na by God's time, sila naman po yung next na matatanggap. So again, comment down below whatever you want, if you need scripts and all, and I'm hoping to hear from you soon. Again, this is again Yoshi Arola, your digital marketer and your VA coach. Thank you for watching.